Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here is our 2026 Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS. Beautiful car in GT silver. It's over a Bordeaux red interior. Kind of a classic combination. This car has extremely low miles and comes with Porsche certified pre-owned warranty, unlimited miles in addition to the balance of its factory warranty. From the outside here, we can tell it's a GTS given the vertical slats here, and then we can see it also has adaptive cruise by the radar right down here. Let's take a look inside. This is the Bordeaux red. We have the upgraded 930 interior, Burmester stereo, top of the line stereo for Porsche. These are Porsche's 18-way seats. In addition to all the other adjustments, you have increased bolstering here and here, and these two bolsters also adjust via these two smaller adjustments right here on the seat. Get in. Turn it on. The GTS really doesn't have much of a starter sound. It just kind of bursts into life. We have a heated steering wheel down here. And then as I come across to the functions here, you can see it has front axle lift. This is the button for the sport exhaust to turn that on, and then your PASM settings, you can stiffen or soften the shocks. Down here in the console we have both ventilated and heated seats, accents in carbon fiber as you can see. It's nice having the stitching on the seats and parts of the doors and the dash in chalk. Just a nice accent there. GT steering wheel with carbon fiber. You can see that here. Here's our adaptive cruise control paddle. With the 2025s, we have a fully digital dash back here. You can cycle between the traditional 5-dial dash to, this is really kind of a track oriented, so you have the red line right at the top. You go to a 3-dial. In this 3-dial, you can change the outer dials to other information as you choose. You can get a G-force meter there. You can also scroll down to a screen that shows you the vehicles around you, then one that has a small map and one with a large map. So just a really nicely equipped Targa GTS. If you have any questions about it, reach out to me, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.